Hey guys, AutoGamer here, and what is this? Let's kick this off, shall we? Okay. Pressure plate, and good morning. Good morning, player. You did not sleep very well last night. In fact, as you tossed and turned, it felt as though the bedroom was moving around before your very eyes. You have a look at your watch and notice it's 11:28 a.m. on a Monday. You're late for work. No. You grab a pressure plate from the chest, place it down, and run out the door. You need an excuse. The dog ate my alarm clock. That will work. It has to. You walk outside and die. Oh, that's great. Doggy, follow me? Okay, I guess not. Book it. I'll just die. Too much TNT, too much. We're floating in sky, having so much fun. God loves us and we are having much fun. So we just spawned. Rules: find and complete the victory monument. Use at least easy, never peaceful. Do not leave the map boundaries. Find wool in chests. Do not use sheep, dye, spider silk. Survive in any way you can think of. You may craft the metal blocks for the victory monument. You may use spider's ring wool for non-monument uses, beds, and etc. Welcome to my lair, gentle player. Are you ready for a descent into darkness? I am. I have been waiting for this day. Are you sure you can handle me, player? Well, soon enough. Enjoy my domain, gentle player. Welcome to Descent into Darkness 1 XGM map made by Croce. A warm welcome to my TTM map known as Descent into Darkness. This is the public alpha version. Enjoy. Okay, before that let's lower this and make this a fence. That should be better for you guys. Oh, and okay, let's just gather some blocks, lighting blocks to light up the place. Okay, that should be enough. 6, great. Okay. Last time I played this, I didn't really knew about enchanting, and they died so many times. Okay, this one is going to get in my backpack. Let's get some. Oh no, please, you bitch. Okay. Let's punch down some trees. Oh. Okay. Fuck. Now it should be better. Okay. And let's make 2 things. A pick and the axe. And let's see if there's any. Oh, there's stone here. Fuck, I thought that there's no stone. Shit. Now it's important to get the saplings, because I think we'll die here a lot. Well, at least I hope we won't, but you know. Yeah, oh, I need to keep my brains in. And as you can see already there are mobs spawning. So that's not cool. Unacceptable. Now let's mix a food source. But first let's take the... Wait, let's light up the place. That's what we will do first. This area is really dark. And this area is really dark. Okay. Let's gather some stone. And poop. Nope. Poop. Poop, 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 poop. An easy way through this sheet. Okay. Oh, you found the way to me, and now you die. But first, give me your food. Poop, poop. A basic weapon, but a normal weapon. Okay. Fuck you. Oh, what the fuck? Why did you just hit me? Did the zombies get a spit attack where they spit at you and you are like, ew, it's gross, and you die? Because if so, I'm fucked. I don't like to be wet. What the fuck? Oh, you fucking skeleton. If I die because of you, I will be sad. Okay. Let's give him a path. And just wait for him. Ah! Fuck, fuck. Yes, a bone. Fuck yeah. Well, just because I need free wheat, I have to do that. Okay. I remember a secret over here. I'm not gonna use the faithful companion because he's going to die on me and I'm going to be really sad. So yes. Or maybe I should. No, dogs are a bit stupid. Sorry, dog lovers. But in this game they are. Let's hope that he takes one bone and it's enough for him. Oh, you greedy motherfucker. I'll remember that. Well, that's not really nice because now I have to feed you mouse. Hehehe. Let's go, little companion. And if you just run into the lava, I will be so sad. Okay, let's put my stuff in here. But I bet there will be a spider or a skeleton that hits me. I hit it in the lava and my doggy just like ruff, ruff, goes after him and dies in the lava, and I'm like, what? Okay, 360 no scope. Sorry guys for doing that, but there was just No point in living anymore. Ways to die. Yes. First wheat. I don't know why did I just say that. Okay. Beef. Vintage beef. Nope, we don't need that. But we need this and this and that and this. And the last thing we need is to gather some more stone. Because we need to block us off somehow. Eight should be plenty. Let's descend into the darkness. I forgot a sword. Really? Did I just lose my vintage beef? Oh well. It sucked anyways. But now I'm butthurt. Okay. A bad start is a good ending. What? Okay. Oh my god. So guys, this is it for this episode, and I think I'll see you in the next one after I gather some supplies. See you guys.